things. Number one is miscellaneous expressions. Number two, going through grammar for writing skills. And number three would be pronunciation. We were doing IPAs. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Welcome to British spoken English class or communication class, you can say, with Sir Hassan Saib. And today we are going to revise the things we did yesterday. We are going to have a very brief recapitulation and recall the things we did. And then we are going to move for three things. Number one is miscellaneous expressions. Number two, going through grammar for writing skills. And number three would be pronunciation. We were doing IPAs. So let us come back to the topic we are discussing, and that is actually use of different English words. The use of words or the function of words changes the sound they are pronounced as. For example, let us go to the first word here. The word is live. For example, L-I-V, live or live. If it is used as a verb, it would be spoken as a live. For example, he lives in a hometown village in Sicily. Is it clear, Hassan Saib?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Well then. And second, I would like to read the second line for me.
He was live from
Sicilia.
Sicilia.
This is name of place basically. Sicilia. Okay. He was live from Sicilia. So the word now I use is live. It isn't live because it is being used as adjective. So same is the case with the next word, which is learned basically. If it is used as a verb, it is spoken as he has learned from Oxford. Learned. Yeah. But if it is used as an adjective, we'd say he is a learned professor. He is learned professor. Okay, there's another word which we usually use, envelope. If it is used as a verb, we would say please envelope my photos. Please envelope my photos. Can you please read this for me?
Yes, please envelope my photo.
For example, the same word is being used as a noun. Can you please hand me over the envelope? Now it is envelope. It isn't envelope. Okay, that is envelope. Yeah. So when it is used as a noun, it would be envelope. When used as a verb, it would be envelope. Used as an adjective would be learned. Used as a verb would be learned. Used as an adjective would be live, and used as a verb would be live. So the pronunciation of the word changes with the function they perform. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Well done. Okay. Well done, Sir Hassan. Mashallah, it's a very good effort, and I appreciate your comprehensibility that you comprehended all the sentences correctly. But one more thing I'd like to have your attention on. For example, you see these sentences written over here. And these are very good sentences as well, because these are idiomatic expressions. Even if you remember these expressions and you memorize these, it will be a good lexical resource for your spoken and for your written as well. For example, bad habits grow unconsciously. It's a very good saying. You can keep in mind and you can speak wherever you need it. For example, borrowed garments never fit well. यानी जो चीज आपकी अपनी नहीं होती वो हमेशा पराई रहती है. Borrowed garments never fit well. The early bird catches the worm. पहले आइए पहले पाइए. ठीक है, जरा जो जल्दी जागते हैं या जो पहले आते हैं उनको रिवॉर्ड ज्यादा मिलता है. The early bird catches the worm. All matters irresistible. And same is the case here. All roads lead to Rome. मंजिल सबकी एक ही तरफ होती है. Okay? No man can serve two masters. किसी के लिए मुमकिन नहीं होता कि वो दो लोगों की गुलामी कर ले. मतलब ये कि खुदा एक ही होना चाहिए. ठीक है, आपको कोई लगता है एक ही होना चाहिए. नो मैन कैन सर्व टू मास्टर्स. इसमें और भी डिफरेंट हैं इडियोमेटिक एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, तो आप इनको भी बेशक याद कर लिया कीजिए और बाद में यू कैन यूज दिस either in your spoken and in your written as well.